Ciao! Welcome to Viet Language channel, and today we are going to learn new vocabulary about clothing so you can use them when you go shopping. The word for clothing is quần áo. Quần áo. Quần means pants. Quần. And áo means shirt. Áo. The Vietnamese traditional dress is áo giày. Áo giày. Giày means long. So áo giày means long shirt. Áo dài is worn very popularly in Vietnam in several occasions, both formal and informal. Áo dài is not only used for women because we also have áo dài for men. White áo dài are used as uniforms for high school girls in Vietnam. The next word is đầm. That means dress. Đầm. And skirt is váy. Váy. Shoes are giày. Giày. And flip-flops are dép. Dép. Hat is mũ. Mũ. And the Vietnamese traditional hat is nón lá. Nón lá. Nón means hat also, and lá means leaf. So the hat that made from leaf. Nón lá. Watch is đồng hồ. Đồng hồ. Eyeglasses is mắt kính. Mắt kính. Mắt means eyes, and kính means glass. Bag is giỏ. Giỏ. In English, we only have one verb to wear that you can use for almost any clothing items. But in Vietnamese, we have 4 different words that all means to wear, but they are used very differently. The first one is mặc. That means to wear, but you use it for clothing items that you use to cover your body, like shirt, pants, dress, skirt. For example, mặc quần, to wear pants. Mặc áo, to wear shirt. Mặc áo dài, to wear a traditional dress. Mặc đầm, to wear a dress. Mặc váy, to wear a skirt. The second word is mang. That means to wear, but you use it for items that you put on your feet. For example, mang giày, to wear shoes. Mang dép, to wear flip-flop. The third word is đội. That means to wear, but it's for items that you use to put on top of your head. For example, đội mũ, to wear a hat. Or đội nón lá, to wear a traditional hat. The last word is đeo. That means to wear, but this one is used for accessories. For example, đeo đồng hồ, to wear a watch. Đeo mắt kính, to wear eyeglasses. And đeo giỏ, to wear a purse or bag. That is it for today. In the next video, I will teach you common phrases to use when you go shopping for clothes. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on!